Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share the live interview recording for the data engineering, and there are a few questions asked in this interview on the data warehousing, cloud data sources like Snowflake, and the SQL questions and Python questions. So watch this entire video carefully so that you will get a good understanding of it. I have not edited this video. This is the original video and the recording I am going to share, so it is not edited, but I have created another video where I had gave the answers of all the SQL queries that has been asked into this interview. So don't forget to watch that video as well, so that you will get a very good understanding of how to prepare for the SQL related queries and interview.
Akshay.
Hi, I'm not able to see the name. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, Akshay. You cannot see me.
Yeah.
I can see you. Don't worry, okay?
Yeah, great.
Yeah. So my name is Srinivas, and I'm going to take up your interview today. By the way, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm
on a
doing
Friday?
good.
So you are in a festival mode, I think. Right? I know it's a
Yeah.
long weekend coming, and I can see in your face. Okay, great. And are you good to start?
Yeah, I'm good to start. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, Akshay, I just want to know from your side, can you please brief me about your introduction, and also what are the projects and your roles and responsibilities, if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure. So
Yeah.
start with my education background first. My name is Akshay. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunications engineering in back 2015, and it's been now 6 years I'm working. So I have worked in different domains like telecom domain, networking domain, then retail, e-commerce, and currently into the finance domain. So at the initial phase of my career, I was into telecom and networking, but I found I'm more interested into working with the data, preparing the report and dashboards. So I switched to the data analytics field in the Zinsar, and started working with the actual data analysis related projects. So I was into the operationals project, where on day-to-day basis I used to communicate with the different stakeholders, sales team, and the business teams to understand the business requirement, to help them with the data related issues like preparing the reports and find out the discrepancy between the data if they have any, and prepare the matrix report and ad hoc report and MIS report. And I slowly switched to the SQL side. I started working on SQL, like preparing the SQL query, like joining multiple tables to create a report, create a view, and export that view to the Tableau server and create a Tableau dashboard. So now then I switched to proper Tableau developer role later on. So I started working with different Tableau dashboards, like optimizing the Tableau dashboard, rebuilding the views, change the existing dashboard with some requirements depending upon the requirement, and creating the dashboard absolute from the scratch, like understanding the requirement, writing the backend SQL query, preparing the view, and create a prototype version of Tableau dashboard, and work with the different stakeholder for data validation and all that stuff. And later on I currently working with the finance team, where they are tracking the revenue year over year and quarter over quarter. So doing the same stuff, but I got chance to work on Alteryx, like developing the Alteryx workflow from backend and export that view to the Tableau server and create a Tableau dashboards, and maintaining the Tableau data sources like on Tableau servers, like maintaining the refresh, like daily refresh and monthly refresh. So yeah, in nutshell, this is what I'm doing.
Okay, that makes sense. And thanks for your time and explaining your roles and responsibilities. So coming to data engineering side, right? So what is your exposure to your rating? I can say in SQL and database development and Snowflake.
Yeah, so on SQL I can rate like 8 out of 10, because most of my work is like on SQL only. And on data engineering perspective, I believe it is more into bringing out the right data or appropriate data to the front end from back end, like developing the ETL pipeline, understanding the requirement, and based on that, preparing the exact workflow and exact plan how we can bring out the relevant data on the front end to develop the dashboards and all. So I am currently pretty much into the same, but I would say I am 7. Like I can rate myself 7 on that part because I'm
I
still
see.
learning. And for Snowflake, like I'm not fully into the Snowflake at the moment, but yeah, we are currently using the Oracle database and planning to migrate to the cloud. So Snowflake,
Okay.
I'm currently learning like 10 to 20% part is currently involved of Snowflake in my current day-to-day job,
Okay.
and yeah, with time I will get more exposure on Snowflake also. So I would not rate in Snowflake because I'm still learning it.
Okay. You are still learning Snowflake. You are a learner. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How about Alteryx?
Alteryx, yeah, I create workflow on Alteryx, so would rate 8. It's
Okay.
very easy to learn.
Okay. 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 No problem. So let us have some technical basic questions. Okay. So okay. So how about your sorry to ask one more thing. So are you comfortable with Python coding? Are you
I
good?
have learned the Python, but not very much into it. But
Okay. Okay.
I'll
No
try to
problem.
answer if you have any question. Like I can
Okay.
try.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem. So first let me go with some. So any idea like what is the difference between a time travel and fail safe in Snowflake by any chance?
Time, it's a feature I think in Snowflake.
Yeah. So any idea? So because you got any what
I'm
is
not.
time travel?
I heard it is a feature in the Snowflake, like time traveling.
Okay. So
But we'll check.
not sure. Not
Yeah.
sure. Okay. Okay. That's fine. No problem. No problem. So as a database like data warehouse data engineer who it is. So I think you know about the difference between a star schema and Snowflake schema, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Could you please explain me the difference?
The star schema is like a single fact table and associated with different dimensions around it. And
Okay.
Snowflake is like with the fact table having the dimension, but again it will be another tree associated with dimension table.
Uh-huh.
It will the hierarchical model. So
Uh-huh.
that is the basic difference between the star and
What
Snowflake.
what kind of schema you are using in your project?
Currently, I didn't check, but in Oracle we have the uh, star one. I think.
Okay. So you're not sure, huh?
I didn't check. I will
Yeah.
definitely look at.
Okay. 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 No problem. Okay. Any idea what are the responsibilities of a storage layer in Snowflake by any chance?
Not really.
Okay. You're not familiar with Snowflake, I think
Yeah,
so.
I'm started learning it. Like 10% part is introduced to us, so we are
Oh,
planning
okay.
to
Okay. No,
try it.
no worries. No worries. Okay. So let us go with some basic fundamentals like maybe. So okay, tell me something about what you know about what are the steps involved in ETL process.
So very first step is to understand the exact requirement,
Mm-hmm.
like where is the actual data is placing and where we want to bring that data. So
Mm-hmm.
that 2 points should be confirmed. Second one is as per the requirement, like data warehouse identification and where those tables are stored and how those tables are related with each other or can be related with each other. That needs to be identified first,
Mm-hmm.
and later on, like need to understand like what is the appropriate way to create a ETL pipeline, like what are different ways. Like in my current project I use Alteryx because this is as per the infrastructure. Alteryx is the mediator, but there could be different ways depending upon the different platforms. Like Python is also there, and in big data Hadoop and all that thing also there, but that needs to be first identify like which platforms are appropriate to create pipeline, and also costing and the budgeting also involved in the same.
Mm-hmm.
And later on, once it is confirmed, like what are the different fields that needs to be bring through the pipeline, that needs to be confirmed, and based on that field we can write a backend query, more
Okay.
relevant backend query, and bring that to
Okay.
the
Okay.
ETL.
That's fine. That's fine. Tell me something about what are SCD types available and the different types of SCD types in ETL data warehouse.
uh,
Slowly changing dimensions. SCD1, SCD2, you heard about them?
Not really.
Okay, I'm not using it up. Okay, that's fine. It's some SQL. Okay, so you said you are good in SQL. I want to go with SQL more. Okay, no problem. Uh, I'm going to ping you in the chat window.
Okay.
So I pinged you just hi. So let me know if you are able to see that.
Yeah, I can see.
So I pinged you the question and where you need to run, and just give me a minute. You can use the below editor which I given you access.
Okay. So ask candidate to write SQL query for this. We have table of employee with ID, name, email,
Correct.
address, etc. Write a SQL query to print name of all employee whose salary is greater than or equal to employee with the first name Rita. Okay. And candidate must be syntax. Okay, so this is the first, like till Rita is the first question, right?
Correct.
Okay, let me try this.
I given access to a black screen editor.
Okay.
I hope you should be able to see.
Yeah, I can see it now.
So I can also see what you are typing. Okay, you can simply start working on that. Thank you very much.
Okay. Right. Okay. With apply with ID. Yeah, table apply with ID. Write a query to print the name of all employees whose salary greater than or equal to employee with first name of data. Okay, so we have name, salary, employee, where salary greater than or equal to employee with first name. Okay, so the employee who having the first name Rita, her salary, suppose that salary is the target one, that our output supposed to be greater than that particular salary. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Where salary is greater than, then let salary from employee where name like employee salary greater than or equal to, okay, or equal to employee with the first name Rita. Candidate must be okay. So this could be one way to get the relevant record. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm first trying to get the salary of the employee having the name starting with the Rita. Okay, so I'm using a like operator here. So I'm not sure whether the syntax is correct, but I'm trying to get the first name of Rita.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Or name, yeah, and we'll get all the salaries, the salary from that particular employee over here, and this will return the single digit of the salary who employee who is Rita, and that will be compared with the our next main query, like I'm calling out the name and salary, and this salary is supposed to be greater than equal to salary of Rita, which is going to return from this inner query. this one. I'm audible?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. Just 1 minute. I'm just checking that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm fine for that. The next query is like you need to write one more query to fetch the first and the last record from the employee table. Oh, I want only first record and last record.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only
If
first.
if there are 10 records, I want first record and 10th record. Example.
Okay. Let me think about it. Only first and 10th record, right?
Exactly. Assume that maybe 10th record or 20th record. I want the last record and
Yeah.
last record.
I have one way to do it.
Okay, please try.
Select.
Yeah, you can try. Yeah, no problem.
The first record and last record, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll try to do this row number over little close.
Okay. Are you done?
I'm thinking like I just want a min and max of row number. Like I'm just thinking how I can add it.
Okay.
Select star from employee or no, not here. Employee where row number is equal to minimum of row number and
Okay. Just a minute. Let me see once. Okay, that's fine. So next one is like I'm giving one more. And once again, I'm giving editor access. You need to type here. The question here is you need to find out the fifth highest salary.
fifth
of an
highest.
employee. Yeah, can you try that?
Yeah.
You can try in that window which I given you.
The fifth highest. Okay. So
But I pinged you the IP. You have to see in the
write
chat.
is equal to determine the fifth highest salary without using top or limit method. Okay. Let me think about it. I think with Windows function I can achieve this. Let me try. Like the way I used row number.
Okay.
Select ID salary order by salary. The fifth highest, like I will just send it as RN from employee where RN equal to 5. So determine the fifth highest salary. So I believe this query will apply the row number on the salary and order the salary with descending. So highest salary will have the 1 as a row number. And likewise, I will pick up the row number having the fifth.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you say you said you can try Python, right?
Yeah.
So can you try one question?
Mm-hmm.
I will give you. I want you to tell me what is the output for this,
Mm-hmm.
and
Define.
you can leverage code editor. I give an access.
Yeah. Okay. So here we have the defined function x I in list for I in range x I dot append I into I. So okay, print I. So F2 F3.
Okay. Okay.
So in function we are passing the 2, then I in range of 2, then 2 into print I. So this is the input for the function, right? Like in this function we are passing the 2, and then we are individually passing this 3, expecting 3 outputs, right? Or only one? Am I audible?
It should give me the output whatever you can see. The function 1, function 2 is there.
Uh-huh.
So
So
I need to get what will be the output of the f of 2, f of 3,
yeah,
comma 3 to 1.
so
Yeah,
three
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 functions.
outputs supposed to be there
Yeah,
placed.
correct. Three calls.
Okay, so it will return for first is I is blank, so x comma I in range of x, so we get 1 2 and print I. So it is appending, so 1 into 1 1 and 2 into 2 4. I think the first output will be uh, 2 comma 4 in the list,
Okay.
and second I see this function x, and in I 3 2 1, so 3 into 3 9, then 3 into 2 will be 6, and 3 into 1 is 3. So this could be a output of second one, and for third one it's range 3. So for index range 1 1 3 it will be 9. I'm not sure about the first one, like it should return the 4. I'm just trying to guess. So I think
Okay.
this could be the output.
What will be the output? Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you write one more code, like how can you reverse a string? Assume that your name. Akshay, for example. I want to reverse that. So can you try using Python?
With negative index it is possible. I'm not sure about the exact syntax, but I'll try to write.
Yeah. You can use the editor. Yeah.
Okay.
I give an access.
Okay, so I'm just trying to write a sort of code like this is name, and I will define I equal to first 0, then suppose I have list of my name is equal to list. Okay, and L equal to this. So for x in range
Yeah.
of L, x of negative equal to x equal to, I'm just trying to negative I print x. We find one more list. So let's say j is empty list. J dot append x print. I'm not sure about the syntax whether this is correct or not, but I'll try to explain the logic what I'm trying to do. So I defined I as a variable 0, defining a list of my name and defining the empty list over here, and trying to use for loop with the negative indexing, like if x equal to negative index of L, so it will put the y over here, it will print x, like y will be print out over here, and this will be appending to the empty list or into the j here.
Okay.
And this will run till x. I need to use, yeah, in the for loop again is supposed to be I think so, I, and here I plus plus, I think, I don't know, but it will, now I had a 1, now it will, no, I had a 0, now it will be 1. In the next for loop it will put the -1, then it will go to this point, and that will be appending to the next to the into the list of j over here.
Okay.
And again it will go I plus plus, again this loop will follow all the rotation till the length of L, like length of these entire characters, and at the end this will break this loop, and we can see the reverse, the name in the reverse order. So with the help of negative indexing we can achieve the result, but I'm not sure about the syntax or this, but that logic will be the same.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it from my side, Akshay. I'm done with my interview. Do you have any specific questions?
Yeah, I see challenging profile of this, like I can see there would be more challenging, but I wanted to know like more on the expectation side of this particular role.
Here is like we are looking for who are strong in SQL, the base fundamental, and also we are looking for who has knowledge in like database development more, and desired not required. And, we are also looking for who are Python and and if you know SAS, will be an advantage. So this is majorly like data engineering stack, right? Nowadays everybody is running behind cloud. So we are also planning to move working. I was asking about Snowflake also. So that is about. So I think is it answer your question?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, then thank you very much.
Thank
so you'll hear from HR. Okay, thank you.
Sure. Thanks. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day.
So hope you guys found this video useful. Hit a thumbs up button and share this with your friends. Add your thoughts into the comment section. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.